Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you different ways through which you can make money with Wattpad. So let's get started and see how. First of all, you need to create your account, or if you already have an account, you can just log in. Now I will use Google, and I'm gonna give Wattpad the permission. And this is how your Wattpad will look like. So basically, to understand and know different ways through which you can win money or earn money from Wattpad, you can just go to Write. Then you can go to Wattpad Programs and Opportunities. This will provide you with all the ways through which you can use to earn money. So basically here we have 5 main ways through which we can use. The first one is the Wattpad Creators Program. You can read more when you click on this program, where you will find all the details about it. But in brief, it's like a library or providing you with resources, multiple resources through which you can use to become a professional writer. You can also apply by going down there and press on subscribe now. Then you will need to enter your email address, first name and last name, then press on subscribe and they will contact you. The next way, let's just go to main. The second way to be able to earn money through the Wattpad, which are like competitions that are provided so that the best writer or the best story chosen will earn a sum of money, like a prize. And you can also read the details from here. And if you are interested in applying, you can go to the Wattpad website. Here it will show you all the details about the competition. So basically, you can see that there are 6 stages. The first stage is the open for entries. So it's available to apply for on 17th July. So it has passed, but you can apply for the next year. Afterwards, you have about half a month until it's closed for judging. Then you also have like 2 months, more than 2 months until the announce the winners or the short list. Next, you will have about 15 days so that another voting or another stage will open, in which fans are the ones who will choose the best stories. Then they will vote to different stories until 20 November. Then they will have 10 days to decide who is the winner. I just need to show you the prize. Here you can see that it has ended on 1 December. So it's basically from it has ended 15 days ago. Here you can see the best stories chosen. So basically they give 2 prizes for a complete story and for an ongoing story. Let's just scroll down to know more about the prize. Here are the prizes. So basically, you can see that the grand prize winner is about $5,000. So it's not few; it's actually a big sum of money. Next way, let's just go back and go back to main. Next way is the Wattpad Originals, in which you will be given money for readers to read your stories. So actually, you write a story, then when Wattpad notice that your story is good enough, it gives it support and it publishes it to readers, so that you will get money when the readers read your own story. And this way, you are not applying for it. You are just writing stories, and when you get noticed by Wattpad, they will choose you and they will contact you, telling you that they are gonna support your own story. Next way is Wattpad Webtoon Stories, which is pretty similar to the previous one, which is Wattpad Originals. They will notice you and they will contact you, but in this time, it's not for giving you money for reading. However, it's just for using your own story for TV or for interviews or for TV shows making and movies making. Next way is brand opportunities here. So it's basically the same. Here it's like a competition that you apply for, and the winners of the competition will get a sponsorship from different brands. So in order to apply for it, you can just enter Wattpad writing contest, and you will see multiple topics that you can enter. So basically here you can see whether the content is closed or still open. And here you can see that this content is open. You can enter it, you can write, and if you are selected, you will be chosen to be sponsored by different brands. So these are basically the 5 main ways to start earning money from Wattpad. So how do you get highlighted for these 5 methods? You mainly have to write so that you will be chosen by Wattpad, or you will be filtered. You will be from the ones who are who gets eligible for these 5 ways. So this is done by going to Wattpad. Here you will be able to write by clicking on write here, create a new story, and you will be able to add a cover to your own story, add a title, add description. You can also write your characters in the story. You can choose the category of the story itself. You can choose tags. You can choose your audience, because of course you will not like for children to read your content if it's for mature people, because it contains some violence and stuff. You will also have your language here, copyright, and rating. It's the same as target audience. However, you are mentioning whether it's for mature reading or children can read it. So before you can start writing your own stories, you need first to access many resources. This is done by going to write here. Then you can go to helpful writer resources, and you can see many resources that can help you to build up your own ideas. You can also go here and check on the different stories that you can read and learn from. However, don't ever try to copy and paste from any writer, because Wattpad will definitely know. So here you can press on browse, and you can also see different categories that you can pick. So if you, for example, you chose this story, The Lady Who Left, you can see how many readings, how many upvotes, and how many comments. You can also read the story itself, and after finishing reading, you can continue to the next part. And if you are interested in the writer himself or herself, you can just go to the writer, you can follow, you can share, or you can just click on the writer to see more information and to see similar work that this writer has written. So here you can also see how many works, the reading lists, and you can also see the number of followers. And this is how easy you can use our website, Wattpad. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.